What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video we are going to be promoting CPA MaxBounty offers using a very special method, and this is typically going to work for only certain offers. This is going to work for a very certain vertical, but the method is brand new. I've never talked about this before. This is a very unique method, and so I'm going to explain to you how exactly we're going to be promoting this specific vertical and why we decided to promote this specific vertical in the first place. And then I'm going to show you the method. I'm going to show you how you can apply it. I'm going to show you how you can put it into practice right after watching this video. So this is going to be a fully informational tutorial where you're going to learn some new and interesting things. And so before we kind of go into the presentation and to the method, I want to explain to you something very important. And this diagram we have is for sweepstakes generally, but this is the same for sweepstakes, for email submits, for zip submits, for anything where you're basically trying to tell the user that, or not trying, actually telling the user they're gonna win, they have a chance to win something big and without paying for it, without doing any work. And so this applies to offers. This does not apply to lead gen offers. This does not apply to e-com offers. This does not apply to dating offers or anything like that. This only applies to offers where you're making a promise and they don't have to do anything, because they are going to be naturally skeptical of this specific way of doing it, right? They're going to be skeptical of the offer you're doing, and that is why we have something like this. And so this is typically for sweepstakes, but this is also applicable to other verticals I'm going to talk about. And so we have a visitor here, right? We have a traffic source, free or paid. We have the first method. This is direct linking. This is not recommended, okay? It just doesn't work really well. It doesn't work at all, honestly, when it comes to these low bounty, low commission offers that I'm going to show you in MaxBounty in a second. And what you want to do is you want to qualify the user. There's a lot of ways of qualifying, and I made a bunch of videos on quizzes, Wheel of Fortune. You can do a geographic qualification. You can qualify using a survey based on interest. There's lots of different ways of qualifying. And so I want to explain to you in this video a very unique method that I've never talked about before. And then before I do that, let me show you some of the offers we're going to be promoting in this method, in this video. So here I am in my MaxBounty campaign search screen. And what kind of offers are we going to be promoting? This is going to work with sweepstakes. This works with zip submits. This works with email submits. This does not really work with any of the kind of niche offers as well, unless it's some kind of a giveaway, some kind of a prize, something like this. And so I have here free stuff chosen, and I can apply search options, and I can basically see a lot of interesting offers to do. And we can, typically you want to do United States, and you can pick United States if you want, because there's going to be offers here that are for Spain or Germany or something like this, and it's not going to work if you get people that are not from those countries. So US is a good kind of filter, right? So we have United States, we have free stuff. You also have various categories. A lot of people do not know about this, but MaxBounty is divided into categories and subcategories, right? We have beauty products, cash giveaways, electronics, gift cards, movies, other restaurants. This is very important, and this is going to become important a little bit later in the video, where I'm going to talk about segmentation. Very important thing. And so right now I have it picked on all subcategories. We can also pick approve to run, and we can see the offers that we can basically start running. And we have a list here, and this is very good. And what all of these offers have in common is basically less than $5. In fact, most of these offers are going to be around $2.40, $2.50 per lead, maybe $3, maybe under $3. Typically, 90-80% of these offers are gonna be below $3. There's a couple of offers, $8 per lead, $8 per lead. All right, so I have here sweepstakes, which is an interesting category to start. But like I said before, this is gonna work with zip submits. This is gonna work with email submits. A lot of these offers, this is gonna be absolutely fine. So I have here sweepstakes. And what we're gonna do is I basically chose approve to run. We have United States here, and I'm basically looking at a bunch of offers. And so I'm gonna open an offer, and we're gonna take a look. There was an offer that I wanted to open. So here's an offer, UseSweeps, which is a really well-known kind of company that's running a lot of these offers. And I basically opened that offer, and I'm basically looking. You can promote in contextual, display, search, social, native. So pretty much everything except incentive and brand bidding. You can do that. And this is what? This is win a Huggies gift basket, okay? It converts on SOI, which is single opt-in, short 3-page submit. So they're telling you. And I've had decent success when I was promoting sweepstakes with UseSweeps. This was actually one of the first type of sweepstakes that I started to promote. So if you like sweepstakes, you're definitely gonna like this method. So you can build a tracking link, you can do all that. Now, before I show you how to build the tracking link, how to do all that, let me show you how we are gonna be promoting. We are gonna be using a tool called Try Interact. And this is a tool that increases engagement, okay? You can create quizzes, you can create polls, you can create giveaways. There's a lot of interesting things that you can do. For instance, if I go into quizzes, I already have a quiz created and I can create a new quiz. So for instance, I can click on create new quiz and I can basically build a quiz. This is an amazing tool. Same thing for polls. I can go into polls and I can create a new poll. What type of poll would you like to create? A grid poll, a list poll, anything you want. And let's say I pick a grid poll. Polls are awesome. This is not a method we're going to be talking about in this video, but polls is a very, very powerful method that I'm going to talk about in some future videos, okay? But for this specific method, we are going to be doing something else. We're going to be doing giveaways. So I clicked on giveaways and we can basically create a new giveaway from scratch. And so if I clicked on create new giveaway, I'm going to be shown a builder, a wizard, where I can basically go out and create a new giveaway. And this is very, very important to understand. Because what this is a form of qualification, okay? Let me explain to you how this works. Once you click on create a new giveaway, you are basically you have an untitled giveaway, you have a success page, you have a lead generation. And all this really is we're collecting emails and it says click here to enter, you have to agree to terms and conditions. You can change this, you can basically edit an image, and here you have a giveaway. And this could be something like enter for a chance to win. What was that offer again? I think it was Huggies, right? Huggies gift basket, right? Enter for a chance to win a Huggies gift basket, something like this. Now here is gonna be Huggies. You can basically go out, you can go to pexels.com, you can go to unsplash.com, you can Google for free stock images. And what you want to do is you want to click on this and you can basically upload an image. So we can search images. Actually, it has it built in. It has Unsplash and Jiffy. So what we're going to do is we're going to put Pampers and see if it's going to find something useful for us. This is a very, very powerful tool. And look at this. We don't have it here. We can also have Jiffy. You can do that. So we have Pampers. Let's put Huggies. Let me try Huggies and see if we can find something interesting. No, it doesn't find anything interesting. Let's go back to the offer. And so here we have solo email and we have banners, okay? We can click on this and they're basically allowing us to use it. So I'm gonna click on download, it's gonna save it. I'm gonna basically right click it and save it on my disk, and then we're gonna upload this image, okay? Because they are allowing us. This is absolutely allowed. We're gonna go back to this offer creation and we're gonna upload an image. We're gonna upload this. All right, so I went ahead and basically uploaded the image that I was provided. We have here a tagline, a headline, enter for a chance to win Huggies gift basket. And then you can put time left to enter. And this is called urgency. This is called an urgency timer. And you can put any timer that you want. You can do it over the weekend. You can do it, I recommend something relatively short. And the thing you have to understand is that when it comes to max bounties, these offer come and go. This does not have an expiry date. But honestly, I gotten emails even with offers that do not have an expiry date, where it's basically, they decide to just stop doing it. So what I recommend, you can put a 3-day limit. And so when you're designing it, it's gonna have an urgency timer and you can put time left to enter. You could put your description, basically enter your email for a chance to win a Huggies gift basket or just something like that. So something like this, enter your email below for a chance. Okay, there you go. Now, this is just a designer, right? Here is that where you're basically putting the name, you're putting the days, then you could put the email, and that's all you're gonna do. And it's basically gonna collect emails. Now, if you go into the giveaway settings, right, you have a giveaway start and end times, okay? And this is where you can basically put it, on a weekend giveaway or some Labor Day giveaway or Memorial Day giveaway. It could be something like this. So for instance, you can choose a start date, and this is just for entering, right? This is to enter the giveaway, right? And you can basically choose, you can go to the calendar, you can choose. So let's say I choose, from 1 from one day to another, the 23rd to maybe the 25th, and this can run from, you know, from 0, right, from 12 a.m. You can do something like from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m., right, and that makes it pretty much, so you can do 11:45 p.m. and that's pretty much like from the beginning of the first day to the end of the other, something like this. You can edit your terms and conditions. You can add your social network options as well. Share on Facebook, like on Facebook, which is a very, very good idea. And you can connect your social account as well to this. And so that is how you do it. Very, very simple. You have your social share settings. You have your opt-in form. You can configure your opt-in form. We're only collecting emails. You can enter more stuff. You can add an integration. All of that, you can basically have it's gonna save as a CSV file. Your form settings, enable checkbox to confirm subscription to email list. And we also have a success page. Thank you for entering for a chance to win. Share this giveaway for more entries. You can do something like this. And it's a very, very simple giveaway, right? You have a giveaway designer, you have a cover, success page, all of this. And the key with this, right, you can do all kinds of things, but what I really recommend is free traffic methods, right? You can go on Facebook and you can basically join groups of expecting parents, right? Moms to be, or moms with little kids, things like that. You can go to Facebook groups. And there's a lot of Facebook groups where they have free giveaways. There's a ton of free giveaway Facebook groups for parents, for this, for that, for this, for that. It's very, very popular. The other thing I want to show you is that this is not only limited to sweepstakes, right? You can go into email submits. You can go into free stuff, right? If I go into free stuff, you're gonna see lots of offers here. You can go into email submits, right? You can do that. You're gonna find a lot of interesting offers here as well, right? And you have iPhone giveaway, get a McDonald's gift card. Now, if you want some advanced tips and tricks, if you're watching this far, the other thing that you can do is you can basically look at offers in specific categories, right? Beauty products, cash giveaways, electronics, and you can find communities that are interested in these specific. For instance, there are Facebook pages, Facebook groups where people are interested in free gift cards, restaurant offers, right? Video games, travel, sports, a lot of interesting. And this is only in email submits. If I go into free stuff, I'm gonna have, you know, same or different. It's gonna be similar, it could be different. If I go into sweepstakes, I'm gonna have a little bit different. Draws, contests, lotteries, lots of interesting things, right? If I go into zip submits, I'm gonna have other, right? Zip submits is not a lot right now. And so it really depends where you go. But what's really good about this tool is it allows you to create this. It allows you to qualify the user, and you're basically collecting emails. And then later on, you can basically go into this tool and you can send them, hey, thank you so much for entering. Here's the link in order to enter for a chance to win, right? And you can say supplies are limited. You only have, you know, until this day to enter, or until the weekend to enter, etc., etc. You can establish something called an urgency effect. You can also do a scarcity effect, which is where you say supplies are limited, because supplies are typically limited. So there's a lot of options for kind of running with this thing. And so you can do a lot of interesting things with this, right? And remember, this is perfect for email submits, sweepstakes, and a lot of these less than $5 offers where they're promising a lot, but there's a chance they have to win. It's not automatic. There's a lottery, it has to be a contest, etc., etc. And so for this method, you never want to be direct linking. You want to be using a tool, because the more interesting the tool is, the more sophisticated is the tool. For instance, if I go in here, it looks very legit, and it took me like 5 seconds to build this out. I can even change the colors. I can add images. I can do a lot of interesting things here, right? I can edit this. I can even change the font. I can do a lot of interesting things. There's a lot of things that I can change. This is the default font. I can change it. So play around with it, and then later on you can even promote other offers to the people that entered, because they're entered, they want something like this. And if you find other similar offers, they're gonna be very, very happy to hear from you. All right, guys, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys. If you've been trying to promote sweepstakes, email submits, things like that, and you've been struggling, try this method out. You can sign up for Try Interact using my link in the description. Try it out, let me know. They have a generous free plan. That's enough to get you started. All right, guys, so I really hope this video was helpful. If you like this video and you have any questions, you have any concerns, maybe I wasn't clear about something, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the content, you found something useful here, smash the like button, show your appreciation. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, because on this channel you definitely do not want to miss a video. We have daily videos where every single day you're gonna learn something new. You're gonna learn a new method, a new technique, a new affiliate offer, a new opportunity, a new traffic source. You're gonna learn something new, rest assured. So you definitely wanna subscribe. You wanna click the notification bell because you do not wanna be late to the party. If you see this video a month, 2 months from now, there could be a chance that the method I just discussed is saturated, because my methods are unique. These are absolutely unique methods that I talk about because I've never seen anybody else use these techniques. All right, guys? So make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, because tomorrow I'm gonna have a brand new video with a brand new, never before seen method just for you.